Two arrested for assaulting, confining domestic help in Wazant Kunj apartment. रिटायरमेंट बोलना नहीं, प्लान करना सही है। एलएस पोल verdict signifies end of negative politics in the country. Achilles after currying SP parliamentary party meeting, he say vote of every section and class instrumental in changing the direction of future politics not only in UP but entire country. समाजवादी पार्टी President Akhilesh Yadav with newly election MPs of his party in Lucknow on Saturday. IAA-DMK vote share up notice with BJP for 2026 poll EPS. Haryana to start requirement process for 50,000 posts CM. CPI-ML Liberation demands rollback of Agnipath scheme. Launched with much fanfare, Ghulam Nabi Azad DPAP fails to make a mark in LS election. Pune car crash result overnight by accused juveniles family rejected. The luxury car that was involved in fatal accident in Pune in May. Navin Patnaik defends Pandian, says criticizing him for BGD defeat is unfortunate. Epigraphs scan leaked on Kashmir's rich cultural past. Inscription form scanner templates Muslim on display at an exhibition depict cross-cultural connections that have harmed Kashmir. Treasure trove epigraph on display at the week-long exhibition in Srinagar, which began on Saturday. Himachal to increase prize money for medal winner in sport. Ramoji Rao, founder of Inadu and Emoji Film City. Photos of adultery must be provided in deepfake RHC. Congress BJP Salam Panarai for his comments on Bishop makeover mode. More enmities. Southern Railway in revamping the Magular Junction railway station at a cost of 18.98 crore rupees under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme. Muralidharan plays down difference within Congress party. ISRO set for landing experiment of reus- reusable vehicle. LX-02 making a successful landing in March. 4 Karnataka MPs elect to resign from legislature. All grade up. New chapter. Preparation underway for the swearing in of the new government at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on Saturday. Rashtrapati Bhavan on Saturday. Naidu to take oath on June 12. DMK MPs seek JDU TDP backing on NEET. Meeting of newly elected MPs from Tamil Nadu passes resolution that states seeking exemption should be allowed to dispense with the test. MK Stalin. Amrit Pal's parents meet him in jail after his Lok Sabha win. Newly elected independent MP Amrit Pal Singh parent outside the Dibrugarh Central Jail on Saturday. Delhi voters were